Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. We're here at the lake. We got the two H15s out here. Sorry it's been so long since I made a video. Had some family health issues. My nephew was hospitalized for about a month and a half, so I really didn't have much time to do anything. But it's a little windy today. The water is very, very choppy and not really ideal for running these 15-inch hydroplanes, but we got a little something else in store for everybody. Testing the two jet skis instead, so stick around. What can I say? It seems fine so far. Was not bad, guys. Was not bad. I would like to run some RC boats, but as you can see, it's not the convenient type of weather for it. Considering I only brought my H15s. Anyways, thank you everybody for sticking around with my channel, even though I haven't posted anything in a long time. I appreciate it very much, and I promise you guys I'll be posting a lot more this summer. We got a lot of stuff set up at J&R Marine for the summer. It's going to be really fun, so stick around and see you next time.